Good day sa inyong lahat. Welcome again sa ating channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. In today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng mock board examination dito sa subject na non-institutional correction. This is in preparation for the upcoming criminology licensure examination. Ang makasagutan ng ating mga katanungan ngayon, makikita natin later on dito sa ating description box. Alright? If you are ready for our mock board examination, let us start question number 1. One of the purposes of adult probation is to, letter A, prevent the commission of crimes. Letter B, place the offender outside police power of the state. Letter C, foster closer relationship between the offender and the judge. And letter D, create a probation office. Question number 2. What is the action of the court in case a probationer violated the condition of his probation order? A. Court orders the release of the probationer to the community. Letter B. Court directs the probationer to reapply for probation. Letter C. Court revokes probation and probationer serves original sentence imposed by the court. Or letter D, court punishes the probationer. Question number 3. Which of the following is a prerogative of the chief executive with concurrence of Congress? A. Parole, B. Probation, C. Pardon, or letter D. Amnesty. Number 4, Mr. X was sentenced to a prison term of arresto mayor. Will he qualify for probation? A. No. His sentence is 6 years and 1 day. Letter B. Yes. His sentence is less than 6 years and 1 day. Letter C. Yes. His sentence is 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Or letter D. No, his sentence is more than 6 years and 1 day. Number 5. Which of the following statement is true? Letter A. A parolee who is committed to prison by the board shall be made to serve the remaining unexpired portion of the maximum sentence. Letter B. A parolee may be authorized by the Parole and Probation Officer to travel outside of his operational jurisdiction for a period of more than 60 days. Letter B. It is mandatory for the parolee to comply with the terms and conditions appearing in the release document. Or letter D. The parolee can transfer to a residence other than that indicated in the release document without the prior written approval of the regional director, subject to confirmation of the BB. Number 6. It is the nature of the hearing for violation of conditions of probation. A. Summary in nature. B. Mechanical in nature. C. Penal in nature. And letter D. Technical in nature. Number 7. Refers to the report submitted by the Probation and Parole Officer on the conduct of the parolee, pardonee while under supervision. A. Progress report. B. Infraction report. C. Summary report. Or letter D. Probation report. Number 8. Refers to the final report submitted by the Probation and Parole Officer on his supervision of parolee or pardonee as basis for the latter's final release and discharge. A. Progress report. B. Infraction report. C. Summary report. Or letter D. Probation report. Number 9. Created pursuant to Act Number 4103 as amended. It is the intent of the law to uplift and redeem valuable human material to economic usefulness and to prevent unnecessary and excessive deprivation of personal liberty. Letter A. Board of Pardons and Parole. Letter B. Bureau of Correction. Letter C. BJMP. Or letter D. PNP. Number 10. A probationer and parolee have this in common except letter A. Both committed crimes. Letter B. Both have been sentenced by the court. Letter C. Both are persons. Or letter D. Both have not yet or have not served their sentence. Number 11. Who is the first salaried federal probation officer? A. Richard McSweetney. B. Edward Hartwell Savage. Letter C. Richard McSweeney. Or letter D. John Augustos. Number 12 refers to the reduction of the duration of prison sentence of a prisoner. A. Reprieve. B. Absolute pardon. C. Conditional pardon. Or letter D. Commutation of sentence. Number 13. What is the action of the court in case a probationer violated the condition of his probation order? Letter A. Court orders the release of the probationer to the community. Letter B. Court directs probationer to reapply for probation. Letter C. Court revokes probation and probationer serves original sentence imposed by court. Or letter D. Court punishes the probationer. Number 14, Mr. X was sentenced to a prison term of arresto mayor. Will he qualify for probation? Letter A, no, his sentence is 6 years and 1 day. Letter B, yes, his sentence is less than 6 years and 1 day. Letter C, yes, his sentence is 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Or letter D, no, his sentence is more than 6 years and 1 day. Number 15. When the offender may apply for probation in court. A. After conviction. B. Even before conviction. Letter C. During appeal. Or letter D. Before trial. Number 16, the judge will base the grant of probation on the report of the blank. A. Social worker. B. Prosecutor. C. Probation officer. Or letter D. Police officer. 17. It is a judicial action or legal disposition that allows the offender to remain in the community subject to conditions imposed by court order. A. Commutation. B. Reprieve. C. Probation. Or letter D. Parole. Number 18. What is the effect of probation on the judgment of conviction of the defendant? A. The judgment of conviction becomes void. Letter B. the judgment of conviction is deemed served. Letter C, the judgment of conviction is suspended. Or letter D, the defendant is acquitted. Number 19, which of the following may violate the probation condition? A, make periodic office report. Letter B, go and play in a gambling den. Letter C, work regularly to support his family. Or letter D, stay away from bad associates. Number 20, what kind of investigation is conducted by the probation officer upon application for probation? A, preliminary investigation. Letter B, post-sentence investigation report. C, criminal investigation. Or letter D, post-sentence investigation. 21 refers to a person who will investigate for the court referral for probation. A, probationer. B, probation officer. C, probation. Or letter D, all of the above. 22. What is the first probation law of the Philippines? A, R.A. 4221. Letter B, PD 968. Letter C, Act number 40106. Or letter D, Act number 4221. 23. What kind of investigation is conducted by the probation officer before granting the petition for probation? Letter A, preliminary investigation. Letter B, post-sentence investigation. Letter C, criminal investigation. Or letter D, post-sentence investigation. Parang naulit yung letter B. 24. What is the period of probation of a defendant sentenced to a term of imprisonment of more than 1 year? A, within 2 years. B, not exceeding 2 years. Letter C, within 6 years. Or letter D, not exceed 6 years. 25. What order will be given by the court after the period of probation and upon consideration of the report and recommendation of the probation officer, and thereupon the case is deemed terminated? Letter A, the court may order the probationer to show cause why there is a need to terminate the probation. Letter B, the court may order the final discharge of the probationer. Letter C, the court may order the arrest of the probationer. Or letter D, all of them. Alright, so that's all for our mock board examination. Submit your answer and check using the key answer na nandito sa ating description box. Have a nice day.